Are you trying to choose between Selenium, Cypress, and Playwright for your testing needs? It can be a tough decision. In this video, we'll compare these three popular testing tools. We'll look at what they do, how they work, and which one might be best for you. All three tools help developers test their web applications. They automate browser actions to ensure everything works smoothly, but each has its unique features and strengths. Let's start with Selenium. Selenium has been around for a long time. It supports multiple programming languages and works with many browsers. This makes it very flexible. Many teams trust Selenium because of its wide community support and extensive documentation. Now, let's talk about Cypress. Cypress is newer but has gained popularity quickly. It's designed specifically for modern web applications. Cypress runs tests directly in the browser, making it faster and easier to see what's happening. It also has a user friendly interface that helps developers write and debug tests easily. Next is Playwright. Playwright is also a newer tool created by the same team behind Puppeteer. It supports multiple browsers and has powerful features for testing across different platforms. Playwright is known for its speed and ability to handle complex scenarios with ease. When it comes to differences, Selenium is great for flexibility and wide compatibility. Cypress is best for speed and ease of use, while Playwright shines in handling complex tests and cross browser support. In terms of pricing, all three tools are open source. This means you can use them for free. However, some may offer premium features or services for a fee. So, which one should you choose? If you need a proven tool with extensive support, go for Selenium. If you want something fast and user friendly, try Cypress. For complex tests and modern applications, Playwright is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights.